best way to remove rotor set screws, what I happen to find easier for me, is an impact screwdriver. Put it in like that and hit it with the hammer at the other end until it loosens up, and just screw off. I hit it about 5 times on each set screw. Comes right off. If you try with a regular screwdriver, 90% of the time you won't be able to get it, because this gets, as you can see, it's real bad with water and a lot of corrosion. Impact screwdriver. Always works for me. Let's try to take this rotor out. Rotate it. Rotate it some more. There it goes. Time to put the new one in. Go get it. You want to line up these holes with those holes. Sorry. These holes. The holes with the dip to these. So it would be something like set like this. Lines up. Lines up. And when you go to put these back on, put some anti-seize. So the next time it'll be a lot easier to remove. So